Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, you can see we're not at the house, and when you see we're not at the garden center. Tell you the truth, we're in the camper in East Texas. Fixing to move down to, we're on Cypress Springs last night, tonight, and Saturday night. And Sunday evening we'll move on down to the Lake of the Pines, which is about an hour on south of Cypress Springs Lake. We've been out catching crappie this morning. I don't know, we caught probably nearly 20, I guess. Kept about 12 or 14. So others a little small. So got a lady up here in the camp that wants a mess of crappie, so we're going to take them up our tour this afternoon. What I'm coming on here about, we're headed to Florida, northern Florida, southern Alabama, with high tunnels. And we're just letting you know, if any of you between Oklahoma, Louisiana, Mississippi, down through there, Georgia, Alabama, Florida, Carolinas, we're coming out of way. And so if any of you are interested in getting a high tunnel, I'm not pushing them, but I'm just saying, if you're ready to get one, now's the time to get it while we're on this trip, and it will save you some freight. We'll divide the freight up between all the houses. We'll take that away. Also, we're giving a 25% discount on the kit because of the hurricanes down through there. A lot of people got hurt, and so we're going to give 25% off the kit to try to help with this deal. And just wanted you to know we're coming down that way. We make them 14 by 24 or 14 wide and as long as you want them. We also make them 20 wide and as long as you want them. So that's the reason we're coming on here right now. We'll be back with some fishing stories a little later on. We didn't bring the pontoon. We brought a boat we rigged up. It's a 17.5 G3 boat that's deep, and Judy and I both are enjoying it, and we'll show you about that later on. The main thing is, if you're looking for a high tunnel, call us at 580-564-2166 is the garden center, and ask for Josh. Sherry will let you talk to Josh. He's the one that really takes care of this greenhouse deal. I take care of the fishing with Judy. I drive the boat while she catches fish. So anyway, my number is 580-564-5909. Mickey's over here helping me, letting me know that there's somebody outside. So anyway, if you like this video, if I can help you, call us and we'll talk about a greenhouse. And we'll see you on the next video.